Are you looking for a drones with camera under 250 grams? In this video, I will show you the 5 best drones with camera under 250 grams based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the DJI Mini 2. At less than 249 g, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K/30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Built-in OcuSync 2.0 allows DJI Mini 2 to adjust automatically between 2 frequencies, which extends Mini 2's max transmission distance to 10 km for even more flexibility. The 4th product on the list is the Holystone HS120D. Having optimized 2K Ultra HD adjustable camera and foldable design controller, HS120D can transmit fluent and clear live video in vivid colors, let you enjoy the sky from a bird's-eye perspective. Simply draw tap points on your smartphone screen, the drone would automatically follow and fly along with the patch, help you discover different scenery. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times, easier to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. The 3rd product on the list is the DJI Mini SE. The lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone is the ideal for creators on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways. Weighing less than 0.55 pounds/249 grams, DJI Mini SE is roughly the same weight as the smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the local government. DJI Mini SE's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. The 2nd product on the list is the Holystone HS175D. 4K camera with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable provides a high-resolution picture, enabled to capture a perfect shot, 5 GHz FPV transmission delivery a smooth and stable videos even in high-speed or strong wind conditions. GPS-assisted flight, it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power, never have to worry about flying it away. This drone comes with a carrying case, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling, weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration. The 1st product on the list is the RiseTech Taiyo. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, Taiyo shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record coordinated short videos with circle, 360, and up and away and share them on social media from your smartphone. Now available for Taiyo is a mobile programming app that supports Scratch. Students can command Taiyo to perform corresponding movements by dragging coding blocks on their smart mobile device. Students can also develop programming skills by playing games and completing levels. Discover the fun of programming. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.